Ew. Imagine making it. You see, look at that. Imagine eating other people's fish. They don't take the time to take this. What is this? What is this? Ew, you guys see it? You see it? Ew! Wait, the other fish has, is that a heart? You guys seeing this? Ew, that looks nasty. Remove. Oh, that's the eggs. This fish was pregnant. I think it was pregnant. That's the eggs, because the others didn't have it. Right here, yeah, that's the eggs. Oh, my bad, fish. Yeah, the others didn't have it. Look. What if it's not the eggs? It's those fish even have placenta. The thing for babies to stay inside. Yeah, that one's pregnant. It was right there. Oh my god, that is so awesome. Oh yeah, it was pregnant. See? Oh, blood. That is so cool at the same time playing it. Get to see the inside the fish body. So this is gun 31. I'm just gonna rinse my hand for now. I want to make a short video on my live recap. Oh my god, I'm gonna have to disinfect the phone later on. Oh, it stinks. Okay, bye. Thank you for stopping by. One of you guys did not like the live. I got 2 more that family watching. Jason will bless me. Now the fun part, right? Oh yeah. It's disgusting. Baby, stop. Stop it. Try to cut it. I'll leave it whole. I'm gonna leave it whole. Too much. Oh, so Jason didn't like it. Thank you. Have a good day. Fun Fusion. I should owe you to channel. Oop, forgot some black stuff, guys. Oopsie. I don't want fish water over me. I'll turn the lemon inside out. Line inside out. Go rinse with cold water so they don't fall apart. I might need to line. Season the fish. You can towel dry it down now. I'm just gonna leave it like that.